What in the hell are these fools doing? Oh jeez. This isn't gonna end well. Oh god. Are they just gonna rip around back here or what?
I feel like he's just gonna drive like that the whole time.
Right.
A little safari ride, point out some senior shit.
Yeah.
He's pointing shit out the window with his hand right now.
Over there you can see where the gophers lay. Alright, he's taking Aiden and I out for a ride right now.
It better not be like a little safari ride, bro.
It is like a safari ride.
Oh shit.
Get it, bro. This work.
Oh. 9 Where's the lot lizards? They haven't got pussy in a minute.
Spin that shit.
I ain't spinning, bro. I got 90 horsepower. Probably.
Did y'all even talk to Reggie about this?
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, we were
We
walking
can
out
let him
like,
know and bust through the spins. Does it feel like a safari run?
Yeah.
Like tourists?
Yeah. That's what we were talking about when we were watching you guys.
This is a safari guide right now.
You guys are from like Venezuela.
I don't see no fucking animals, bro. This shit.
Let me get what you pay for. Alright, we're gonna hit the flex spot.
Jeez. I'm trying my best to hold this camera
We're
straight.
hitting the flex spot.
Oh, I see.
We're hitting the flex spot.
Oh. Nice.
Is this how you post in a road?
Yeah, get out.
It's
I'll keep my foot on the brakes. Do this in your drift cars.
Yeah, let me get the E36 out here.
You can do that. Damn, this is like natural environment.
Yeah, facts.
Yeah, it's pretty. We capture this moment forever.
Are you proud of yourself?
Yeah. Wallow Creek entrance.
Okay, and we're back.
That's pretty good. Fun.
Yeah, you got some
That was good stuff. Alright, so I just went to go change the diff fluid because I haven't done that yet since we welded the diff. And if you see right in there, that's a plate sitting there. So yeah, I already blew the diff for a second time. I think we'll just get a new diff at this point. Yeah, that sucks. Like, I don't even know, man. That's so sad. I feel like I thought we welded that so much better this time.
I thought
Like it was so much, it was welded so much better.
I mean, I've welded quite a few diffs.
All right, next time we're just gonna glob the fuck out of it.
I think next time, no plates.
Yeah. No plates next time?
No plates.
Yeah. Bet.
Because like...
Skip the plates next time and just do the spider gears just like fucking crazy.
Yeah.
All right, let's do that.
Like how I did Gabe's, and that shit's holding up.
Shit.
And Marco's Cressida did it just like that.
Well, guess we're gonna have to take the diff out again.
So I think that's funny. Oh no.
I'm scared.
What is that sitting right there?
The plate.
Yep.
Oh, Amo. Jesus Christ.
Yeah.
Honestly, you've probably been driving like that for a while.
You think so?
Probably.
Because there's play in the wheels again.
Oh, there is?
Yeah, there's play. Yeah. Here, get on the other. Here, actually, I'll.
There you go.
Yeah, see? Like, there's just barely a little play. Again. I think we should have just realized when the spider gears were broken before, we shouldn't have welded it again, but... I mean, we got some more drift time out of it, so... I mean, it's whatever. We got the most out of the diff. Honestly, I'm not as bummed as... Yeah, I'm not really, like, super bummed, but it's, like... just kind of annoying that we have to take it out again. Nah, Preston, don't even blame yourself. It's not your fault. Bro, don't feel bad at all. It's chillin'.
Jesus Christ, too much power.
Yeah, bro. That 1.8 liters of awesomeness. So we just moved the car forward, and it looks like I might have oil dripping. This is not going good. Okay, I don't I don't see any new wetness up here.
Probably coming from your drain pipe.
Fuck, dude. I don't see any new drips.
I don't know. Who knows?
Fuck. Alright. We'll just leave some cardboard under it and we'll come back tomorrow and see if there's any fluid on it. That new rag. I like it. What the fuck? So Gabe had his car sitting there before, so we're kinda thinking, or at least I'm hoping it's just his car that was leaky and not mine. But yeah, so we're just gonna leave cardboard under both of our cars tonight and see whose is leaking. Anyone want to take bets on whose car's leaking?
Gabe's car.
Gabe's car?
Gabe's car.
Gabe's car. Gabe, what do you think?
Probably.
Yeah, so, I don't know. We'll see. So, while I've been sitting here loathing and sitting in my sadness, Gabe's been working on taking out the diff. First he started out like, hey, I'm gonna just get it up on jack stands. And then he was like, hey, you know what? I'm gonna take the axle bolts out. Why not? And then by the time he got that done, he's like, nah, let's just pull the entire thing. Why not? I don't really feel like lifting anything right now. They volunteered to do it, so I mean, I'm not gonna tell them not to.
Now time to weld it up again tonight.
All right, out for the third and hopefully the final time. All right, broke all the bolts. Now let's see what the damage is. I don't have high hopes at all. Okay, dude, the fucking anticipation's killing me. Fuck. Okay, let's open it up. Ooh. Oh yeah, that's. Oh my god, you see
Dude,
that?
that's all.
It's all gone. Fuck, let's look at the other side. Oh yeah, both plates are just fucking gone. Absolutely obliterated. There's no spider gear up top pretty much anymore.
Oh my god.
Okay, there's one plate. Where's
The magnet's right there.
Yeah, it's on the wall.
Oh, I saw it down.
I see a spider gear.
Oh yeah, there's some more spider gear. Where'd the other plate go though? Oh wait, I see it. Oh, yep.
Oh my god.
There's the other plate. Awesome. Oh my goodness.
That's what you want to see.
Yeah, this diff is absolutely toast now.
Yep. It's a trash tip.
Shit. Yep, now we definitely have to get a new diff. Fuck, dude. Like, I was gonna say something, but like, I don't even know what to say, bro. Like, all I can say is we need a new diff. This diff had a good run. You know, this is probably the original diff that was in the car anyways. I mean, granted, like, diffs are supposed to last, I imagine, like, the life of the vehicle anyways, but, I mean, we're fucking thrashing on it. The car has 252,000 miles, so.
And this is the second time welding it.
Second time welding it, exactly. Alright, I guess now I'm just gonna move up to a 391. I think I've decided I'm gonna get a 391. This thing is gonna be rowdy. Now you're in your final resting place. Here's where you'll stay for the rest of your life. You did good. You did good.